unboxing another Universal Yums box. I have done 3 of these already, so make sure you go and check them out. For those who don't know, who are new to my channel, Universal Yums is a subscription box where each month they send us a new box of goodies from a different country. So let's see where we're going this time. So it looks like, it says the land where hips don't lie, but sloths sure do. There's a picture of a sloth. Like in every box, it has kind of a map of where everything is from. And then on the other side, it has where we're going to be ranking to see what we like and what we don't like in the box. And then it also has a little booklet of different fun facts about Colombia, which is where we're going, and a little bit about each of the items in the box. First thing is called La Niña, and it's lemon bacon chips. That's gonna be an interesting flavor, I think. But I mean, it does have bacon, so how bad could it be? This one is another La Niña, and this one is a lemon plantain chips. And for those who don't know, plantain is kind of like a banana type of item. So I think that one will be pretty good. And these are mayonnaise potato chips. That sounds very, I don't know how to, I like mayonnaise and I like potato chips, but I don't know if I'm gonna like them together, so that will be an interesting one. Another La Niña. This is a sweet plantain chip. So I wonder if it has sweet potatoes in it. And then we have some corn puffs with quinoa and Himalayan salt. I think that one's gonna be tasty. And then in this one, we have milk caramel with real coconut. Looks like little chewy bars. So I'm sure that one will be tasty. And these look like gummies. And they're little penguins and fruit flavored jellies. So that will be a nice little treat. I always like a good jelly or a gummy. And then we have some nuggets that are cookies and cream. Always like good cookies and cream flavored items. And then we have some extra creamy coconut cream wafer cookies. We had one box that had a lot of wafer cookies in it, so I'm wondering like kind of the difference in the different countries for wafers, but I'll be excited to try them. And then we have our Yum bag. So they don't tell you what's in here until you open it. So we are going to keep it that way until my husband and I actually try them out. But it's usually like 3 different little candies that they found that are range from either really good or okay. So I'm excited to open that up. And then we have Trululu chocolate blanco. Looks like little candied eggs. So that will be interesting. And chocolate blanco, I'm pretty sure means white chocolate. So I like white chocolate. And then the last thing in here is a Choco Nougat bar. And it almost reminds me of a, like a crunch bar. That's kind of what it looks like. So I'll be curious to try that. Well, anyway, this is all of our little treats. My husband and I have been really enjoying trying out all the different treats from different countries. So we'll be excited to try this out. Make sure you follow me on social media. The links are in the description down below to see what we think of all the different items in the box. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we will catch you in the next one. Thank you.